Hi, I'm back again, and it's Shaniqua. Thanks for the people that did subscribe to my videos, and please comment if you can. Ask me for any requests, anything of that sort. And I'm going to sing Keyshia Cole, I Remember, and I'm going to sing it a cappella because I don't have music, so here it goes. Where were you when I said I loved you? And where were you when I cried at night, waiting love, didn't sleep without you, thinking of all the times we've shared. I remember when my heart broke. I remember when I gave up loving you. My heart couldn't take no more of you. I was sad and lonely. I remember when I walked out. I remember when I prayed I hated you. My heart couldn't take no more of you. Sad and lonely. No one knew all the pain I went through. All the love I stayed deep in my heart for you. Didn't know where I would go, where I would be, but you made me leave. And plus my heart, it just kept telling me so. Oh, I remember when my heart broke. I remember when I gave up loving you. My heart couldn't take no more of you. Sad and lonely.